Hello everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to support us at the next CES event by using DindeKiosk. That is, if you present something on the CES event. First of all, make sure that you have the WebView 2 runtime installed. You can use the event standalone installer, but everything should do the job. Then, after installing the WebView 2 package, extract the DindeKiosk program. Then extract it to the DindeKiosk folder preferably, so that you have a new folder. Of course, this might take some time because this is a long zip archive. It is 600 megabytes long. After finishing extracting, you will have this folder open. Click on Install. Of course, this needs admin privileges, so click on Yes. After that, just let it do its job so that it can extract everything you need. After that, it should sign you out. This is because it does some registry changes which need to log out. Sign in on your user account, and then here you go. You have DindeGDPS kiosk installed. So let's take a look at how it looks like. There's a quick information page which shows what it is like, and even a play tab where you can play 1.8 to 2.2. For the other stuff, you need DindeGDPS. Thank you guys for watching. Comment, like, subscribe, do whatever you want, whatever you like, and I hope you like this video. Have a great day.